So you think plant-based is just a fancy way of saying you eat salads all day, huh? Let's get one thing straight. This isn't just about swapping out a steak for some tofu. It's about a full-on mindset shift, people. We're talking about seeing the world through a new lens, one that's greener, kinder, and dare we say, a little more enlightened. Sure, you can compare plant-based diets to the latest fad diets like the only eat bacon plan or the juice cleanse for life scheme. But here's the kicker. Plant-based isn't just a diet, it's a lifestyle. It's like discovering there's more to life than endless carb counting and protein overload. It's about realizing that what's good for your body can also be good for the planet. And no, that doesn't mean you'll start hugging trees. Unless that's your thing, then go for it. So the next time someone tells you they've gone plant